7 early signs that cancer is growing in your body. Don't rely on routine tests alone to protect you from cancer. It's just as important to listen to your body and notice anything that's different, odd, or unexplainable. Here are some signs that are commonly overlooked. 1. Wheezing or shortness of breath. One of the first signs many lung cancer patients remember noticing is the inability to catch their breath. 2. Chronic cough or chest pain. Several types of cancer, including leukemia and lung tumors, can cause symptoms that mimic a bad cough or bronchitis. Some lung cancer patients report chest pain that extends up into the shoulder or down the arm. 3. Frequent fevers or infections. These can be signs of leukemia, a cancer of the blood cells that starts in the bone marrow. Leukemia causes the marrow to produce abnormal white blood cells, sapping your body's infection-fighting capabilities. 4. Difficulty swallowing. Trouble swallowing is most commonly associated with esophageal or throat cancer, and is sometimes one of the first signs of lung cancer too. 5. Swollen lymph nodes or lumps on the neck, underarm, or groin. Enlarged lymph nodes indicate changes in the lymphatic system, which can be a sign of cancer. 6. Excessive bruising or bleeding that doesn't stop. This symptom usually suggests something abnormal happening with the platelets and red blood cells, which can be a sign of leukemia. Over time, leukemia cells crowd out red blood cells and platelets, impairing your blood's ability to carry oxygen and clot. 7. Weakness and fatigue. Generalized fatigue and weakness is a symptom of so many different kinds of cancer that you'll need to look at it in combination with other symptoms. But anytime you feel exhausted without explanation, and it doesn't respond to getting more sleep, talk to your doctor. If you are experiencing any unordinary symptoms, make sure you consult your doctor. Something that seems small to you now can be a lot bigger than you think. Here are 7 early warning signs that cancer is growing in your body. 1. If you are experiencing any differences in your fingernails or toenails, consult your doctor. If you are seeing dark dots underneath your nails, that can be an indication of skin cancer. 2. If you are experiencing wheezing or shortness of breath, you should consult your doctor, because the possibilities are endless. Shortness of breath and wheezing can be a sign of lung cancer. 3. If you have any abnormally large moles on your body that are larger than 6 millimeters, visit your doctor. Large and abnormal moles can't be a sign of skin cancer. 4. Chronic cough can't be a sign of a lot of different health issues. Chronic cough can indicate either lung cancer or leukemia. 5. Not being able to swallow with ease is a serious issue. Consult your doctor immediately. Trouble swallowing can indicate throat cancer or even lung cancer. 6. Severe pain in the abdomen should not be something that is pushed to the side. Your health is more important than your work. Severe pain in the abdomen can indicate either leukemia or ovarian cancer. 7. If you feel a lump or bump on the side of your testicle, consult your doctor immediately. Testicular cancer is very common and should be treated immediately to avoid any progression.